Hello friends, let's all together build the periscope from the Experimenting with Science set. First, let's separate the parts. Let's set aside the extra parts. Carefully remove the small parts. Let's first complete the outer surface of our periscope. Set aside the part we finished. First, let's install the small mirror with the reflective side facing inward. Then let's pass the rings through the specified places. First, pass the large ring. Then place the small ring on top of the large one. Let's remove these two parts found at the back. Turn our large mirror again so the reflective side faces inside the box. Install the plus shape so that the reflective side is underneath it. Attach it to the other side as well, again with the plus shape underneath the reflective side. Then install the axle between them. Hold it tight and push it to the other plus on the opposite side. Then to reinforce and to help in turning, let's attach these handles. Reinforce it with a pin. Push the pin all the way through. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Pass the pin on this side too.